If you are into vlogging and you find it difficult to add voiceover into your story, your events, your recorded video, this tutorial is for you. On this tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to add voiceover to your vlogged video you recorded, event that took place, and you want to make it classic, stand out from the crowd. I will put you through on how you can add voiceover using CapCut for free. Easy peasy. You don't need to stress yourself doing that. Stick around, watch this video. Don't skip any part of this video. Watch it to the end so you don't get it twisted. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. Let's go straight into the tutorial. Let's go, guys. Come over to CapCut. Open your CapCut. This plus sign says new video. Click new video. All right. I'll be working with this video right here. You add one. If it's two, you add two. How many videos you want to add voiceover, you add it. So this video has a sound, which is audio. Play it, you hear the audio. So you can record any clip. When you are done, you will remove the audio and add your own voiceover. Easy to do. All right. So you click on this mute clip audio right here. You mute the original audio. If you play it now, it has no audio. All right. So come back. You click on this audio down here beside edit and texts. In between edit and texts, click on this audio. You see extract sound effects, record, text to audio, and the rest. So what you'll be doing here is you click on record. This interface will come out. You have teleprompter, record, enhance, audio effects. So right here, you have options of what you can do. If you want to use teleprompter, maybe you have a script that you want to read. Maybe you don't know it off heart. You can paste the script down here. Click on this icon button here and have your script pasted here. If you don't have a script, you want to use CapCut AI to generate your script. You can generate your script right here. You can generate your script right here. Have your script ready. If you have your script already off heart, you want to add the voiceover, that will be fine. That would be great. So if you don't want to use the voice or a teleprompter over here, you click on this X sign here to cancel it. So what you need to do now is to click on this record button. Countdown. We have amazing orange, fresh from the farm. You can use this orange to achieve a whole lot. You can use it for orange juice. You can add the juice to smoothie. You can make a whole lot. After exercising, you need orange juice. Orange has a lot of benefits on your body, health benefits. This is organic orange, not artificial or genetic modified orange. Buy from us today. You will be glad you have the amazing orange. So when you are done adding the voiceover, you click on this record button again. You have it saved. So after doing your voiceover, you can click on enhance voice. You can enhance it and kill up the noise background. Right here, say enhance voice. You toggle it on. You drag this up. You have enhanced the voice. So you want to add effect, audio effect. You click here. You will see the functions you can add on the audio effect. So if it's something you want to do, you can add audio effect. If you don't want to add audio effect, you have a lot here. Podcasts, mic echo, suite, fuller voice. You have a whole lot here to add. You have characters you can select. You have a lot you can do right here. So if you don't want to do this, you can click here. Your audio is ready. Your voiceover is ready. So you can actually play it and hear the result of your voiceover. So if it's something that is okay by you, you click on this button here, export. Right here that says AIUHD, you can increase it to 2K, 4K. It depends on how you want it. You can work on the frame rate, bit rates, anyhow you want to work around it. When you are done, you click back on export. You will have it export to your device. It is super easy for you to do. Doing this, you don't need to worry yourself about background noise. Take a record video of anything you want to, event, your program, your vlogging. When you are ready to edit, you just kill the original voice. Maybe the noise there was much, copyright issues, you are trying to avoid them. You come over to CapCut. When you are home and in a quiet environment, you save and edit it. So right now, our voiceover is ready. So let me know on the comment section if you will be trying this out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. Drop on the comment section another tutorial you want me to carry out. See you on my next video. Cheers.